Hi, this is the second video on the topic dictionaries. So let us quickly go to Python and create a dictionary for mathematics marks so we can understand the syntax in detail. So first what do? We put the name of the dictionary and then we put equal to and then curly brackets. Inside the curly brackets, first we put the key excuse me and then the colon and then the value. Then just like in list, we put comma and then the next key colon and value. So our dictionary name is math marks. So I write math underscore marks equal to and I put curly brackets. Okay. Then within the curly brackets we add the first key value pair, which is Anish. So I put within quotes I put Anish colon and then I put the marks, which is 72. Then I put comma and then I write the second key. So we put quotes again and we write Ashrita and then colon and then 78. And then we put comma again and add the last key value pair, which is within quotes May and then colon and then the marks, which is 72. Okay, so we have added 3 key and value pair. So let us add a print statement to print the value of this dictionary. So we write print open bracket close bracket maths underscore marks. Okay, now let's save the file and run the code. So what you see is the output of a dictionary. So now we know how to create a dictionary in Python. When we create keys and values, is that a key can be either a string or integer, and in the same way the value can also be a string or integer. For strings, like always, we have to put quotes around it. Now let's change our dictionary. In school, every student is given a roll number, correct? So in this example, we'll change the name of the student to the roll numbers and get the output. So I remove Anish and I put 12. I remove Ashrita and I put 13. And I remove May and I put 14. Okay, now let's save the file and run the code. As I explained before, we do not have to put quotes for integers. Let us see one more dictionary. I am going to create a dictionary for one fruit, which is mango. So we write fruit equal to and then curly brackets. Then we write within quotes name and then colon and then we write again within quotes mango. Then we put comma and then we write within quotes color and then colon and then again within quotes we write yellow. Then we put comma and then again within quotes we write season and then we put colon and then within quotes we put summer. Then we put comma and then write within quotes town colon then within quotes Salem. So Salem is a town which is very famous for mangoes. That is what we have put in our dictionary. So excuse me. Finally, let's add a print statement to print the dictionary. So we write print open the bracket close the bracket fruit. So now save the file and run the code. You will see that the dictionary named fruit is printed. So this is a way to write a dictionary in Python. Let me show you one more thing. Let me remove the value Salem. Now let me save the file and run the code. So this will give an error. So if there is a key, there should be a value. Remember empty strings we saw in week 3 in level 1? Yes, you do remember? Very good. In the same way, we can put single quotes and leave it without a value, but we at least have to put the single quotes. We cannot leave it empty. So now I have added the single quotes without any value. Now let's save the file and run the code. See, no more error. So if you don't want values, you have two options. Either you can remove the key completely, or you can put single quotes for the values. So just like list, we can also create key value pairs and add them to the dictionary. We can remove the key value pairs from the dictionary, and we can also replace the values for a particular key. We will see how to do all of that from our next video. So see you again very soon.